Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today I'm going to show you how to grow foxglove from seed. So foxgloves can be sown under glass in a greenhouse from January to February, but they can be directly sown from April right through to July. So I'm going to show you 2 ways of growing foxgloves. So growing foxgloves in the late part of the year, from July onwards, they're going to be flowering the following year. So we can make an early start ready for next year. So this is the varieties that we're growing. And this is Primrose Carousel, Excelsior Hybrids and Excelsior Mixed. So this is what we're going to be sowing, and I'll show you some tips of how to sow the foxgloves in a seed tray. This is the seeds that we'll be sowing, and this is Excelsior Hybrids Mix, and we will be doing these in a container, and we've just got some compost, and it has got a bit of perlite mixed in. But the top tip for sowing your foxgloves is to just water the surface first. Just make the top damp. By doing this, when we add our seeds, the seeds will just sit on top of the compost, and they would just stay where you've located them. If we put it on a dry compost, we can sprinkle the seeds. When we come to water, we can wash all the seeds to one edge. So just a great tip, just to water the compost first. So this is what we'll be sowing, and this is Excelsior Mix. So if we look at the label, it says sow indoors from April to July. Also sow outdoors from April to July, and it says flowers September, or plant out September, October, and then it will flower the following year, May to July. So we take a look at our seeds. And we can see that they're very, very tiny. And all we're going to do is just pinch and just scatter across the top. So I did say we're going to show you 2 ways. And the first way is just to get your seeds, pinch and scatter. That's a simple way of just throwing them in your garden, on your borders, or in your containers. Just scatter. But this way is a bit more controlled, and that is it. We don't need to cover, we just need to keep these warm, and that is our sowings. So we need to keep this moist, place this in a cold frame or cool greenhouse, and seedlings will appear 21 to 31 days. When large enough, thin out 4 inches apart, then transplant 10 inches apart in the flowering position from September. Keep moist and weed free. And a top tip, allow to shed seeds for future plants. But there is a caution, then it is toxic if eaten to humans and pets. So there we go. That's how we grow our foxgloves. So let me know in the comments, have you grown foxgloves from seed? Have you used the scatter method? Have you grown them in pots? Let me know in the comments, and that'd be great. Thank you very much.